with another video. And today, guys, we found a nest in our tree with chicks. Right over there. See it? Right over there. You can see? See the chicks? I mean, you cannot really see it because they're actually a little bit dark. But I mean, you can see the nest, right? Oh, the chicks are moving. If you can see something moving, those are the chicks. Something moving in the chest, that's the chicks. Yeah, they're moving. So they're ridden with their mom. Their mom should be here right now. Their mom's looking for food, I think. Oh, look at those. But look at the birds. Yeah, so the video's gonna end here. And so bye. Rafa out.